Hey you guys, it's your girl Lovely Kiki 1000, and guess what? I am back with another mukbang. I know it's not much, so please do not judge me. It's just some chicken and some potato wedges, and y'all, I just woke up. So good morning to everyone. And yeah, I'm finna get started with this mukbang. So y'all, I just want to say thank y'all for supporting my videos on YouTube, because guess what? My Breaking Bread Soul Food mukbang is almost at 200 views. Like, thank y'all so much. Like, I just really appreciate all the support and all the positive comments that I have been receiving on my channel. It really means a lot. But yeah, without further ado, let's dig in. So yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all what I've been doing. First of all, I've been working like a lot. Like, the crib been making money. Like, seriously. And plus, I've been making bracelets. I've been putting reels on Instagram. And I think one of my reels on my main Instagram page, it got like almost 300 views, I think, on there, which is awesome. Thank y'all for that. And I got 1,030 followers on Instagram, which is my main page. So yeah, I'm just so happy, because like I said, at first I didn't have no followers at all, and now I got 1,000. Really? Like, this is like really awesome. So again, thank y'all. And yes, y'all, this is my breakfast. This is my breakfast, okay? Y'all, this is a bracelet that I made. I want to say I made it a few months ago. But yeah, it's really cute. Yeah, I've been trying to make bracelets. But yeah, I've been, trying to stay on top of making bracelets, so that when I order these packages, I can start packaging them up for y'all. And yeah, like, it's coming real soon, but I'm not gonna say too much. Just know I'm gonna start packaging y'all orders, because I know a lot of people been waiting on their bracelets for the longest. Sorry. Like, you gotta have enough money to start a business. Like, seriously. And like, if you want to have an office, you gotta have money to pay the bills in there, and you gotta have enough money to buy the office, of course. So yeah, it's a lot. And yeah, let me tell y'all what happened. So I was trying to break apart these little sausage patties, because I was gonna eat some, the day that I have to go to work. Cause me, I like to eat waffles and pancakes and like sometimes sausages for breakfast. So yeah, I was gonna do that, but I was like, nope. Cause first of all, y'all, I think it was like yesterday, I had woke up too late. I woke up like, what, 9:21, and y'all, I had thought that my alarm went off. Like, that is so crazy. And like, it just happened so many times. Like, for real, this is crazy. Yes, there has been times when I was in school, I used to be late. That was because like I overslept a little bit. So yeah. And like half the time the bus would be late. So of course I had to wait. But yeah, I was trying to break the sausage apart like with fork. And y'all see a little spot where it got blood on it. Yeah. My hand started bleeding. And me and my daddy, we ain't got no Neosporin. So I had to wait the next day to get some, what is it that what is that stuff, antibacterial something, I don't know, some type of cream. I'm gonna put in my hand. I don't know what kind of cream it was, but yeah. But yeah, I work in different hours now, so like it's really different. Yeah, these potato wedges can get stuck in your throat, like the little skin, like I'm really a fan of this skin. I can't take it off. Like, I'm really finna take all this skin off. And like sometimes when I'm eating this chicken, I have to take the skin off because I don't like all this skin. Like, I'm not a fan of it. Like, taking all of this off because it just feels weird when it's, you know, stuck in my throat. Like, I'm not like that. I'm just reaching over getting napkins, so yeah, don't mind me. Y'all tell me y'all plans for the future. Like, seriously, I will respond. Like, okay, this is a good plan. And y'all, my phone, it be acting like so weird because when I try to type in the right thing, sometimes it be typing in the wrong thing. I'm just like, why is this thing typing in the wrong thing? Like, I put in the right letter. It types in the wrong letter. Like, it's just so annoying. That's what really annoys me. My phone, like, I've only had it for almost, let me see, I got it in 2020. So that would make it, what, a year or 2 years? I don't know. But yeah, I'm not getting that iPhone 13. Like, I'm telling y'all, I'm not a fan of those cameras. Like, why would y'all put two cameras right there? I mean, the color is cute. But, like, all y'all doing is making people pay more money. Like, there's more money coming out their pocket. But, okay, do y'all. Okay, I ain't got nothing to say about that. Nothing. Nothing at all. Get all these crumbs off of my hand. Y'all, I've been eating, not eating, you know, drinking almond milk. And honestly, it's like really good. The reason why I say it is because it's vanilla. And it's like really good. Oh, y'all. I could just put the time to digest. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. That took a pretty long time for me to chew it up and digest it. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope that y'all like it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, because guess what? I'm almost at 80 subscribers. So yeah, tell your family and friends about me. Like, yes, tell everyone about me. But yeah, follow me on social media. It will be in the description box down below. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.